The invention of the microscope completely transformed our understanding of the world by granting us the ability to explore the finest intricacies of the unseen. This revolutionary device opened up an entirely new realm of discovery, enabling scientists to observe even the smallest structures of life and delve into the enigmatic world of the microscopic. With its extraordinary magnifying power, the microscope has played a crucial role in propelling various fields of study forward, including biology, medicine, and materials science. Its groundbreaking capabilities have unlocked countless possibilities and continue to shape our comprehension of the natural world. The invention of the microscope, often attributed to the brilliant Dutch spectacle maker Zacharias Janssen in the late 16th century, marked an extraordinary leap in scientific progress. By transcending the limitations of our naked eyes, the microscope completely revolutionized how we investigate and examine the natural world. It allowed us to uncover the incredible world of cells, as first discovered by Robert Hooke, and has paved the way for modern medical diagnostics. Indeed, the impact of this invention is immeasurable, as the microscope remains an essential cornerstone of scientific research. It empowers us to venture into the depths of life's mysteries, unraveling the complexities of the universe at a microscopic level. In conclusion, the invention of the microscope has truly revolutionized our perception of the world by granting us the ability to explore the hidden realms that were once invisible to us. This extraordinary creation has fueled our curiosity and propelled us towards countless breakthroughs. The microscope continues to be an indispensable tool in scientific exploration, enabling us to study the smallest details of life and unravel the profound secrets that lie beneath the surface.